Today, I'm going to show you how I used a powerful AI tool to create a blockbuster movie thriller like this.
We weren't hunting a man. We were tracking a shadow stitched into the fabric of a global conspiracy. Speed is survival. Every second between us and them was a line between life and silence. They knew we were coming, but they forgot one thing. We never walk in blind. Answers never come easy, especially when they're hiding behind screams and silence. It always ends in the air, above the world, above the lies.
The best part is, I did it all using a single AI tool called AIMVideo. This AI platform is an absolute game changer. It allows you to generate cinematic images, animate scenes with smooth transitions, and even add sound effects that sync perfectly with your visuals, all in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step how I created a cinematic action thriller using AIMVideo. This tutorial will give you everything you need to start building your own cinematic universe without any technical background. So make sure you stick around till the end. You won't want to miss a single step. Now let's get started. The first step is to head over to nim.video and sign up for an account if you haven't already. The setup only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the AIMVideo dashboard, which is clean, user-friendly, and packed with powerful creative tools. On the home screen, you'll see a wide range of pre-made templates. These are great if you want something quick and done for you. But in this video, we're going all in and building our own custom cinematic sequence from scratch. Now click on the Create, and from the list of options, choose Image to Video, and you'll be presented with the creation interface. The first thing we need to do is create our image, so switch to Image, which means we'll need a scene description, a text prompt that tells the AI exactly what kind of shot we want to generate. If you already have a scene in mind, you can type it directly into the prompt box. But if you're not sure what to write or want something more polished, I've made it super easy for you. I've created a Google Doc filled with detailed image prompts specifically designed to give you visually stunning results. You'll find the link to that Google Doc in the video description below. Now open the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Then click Enter and ChatGPT will give you a list of perfectly detailed image prompts and also a voiceover script to go with it. Now copy the first prompt, then return to AIMVideo and paste it into the image prompt field. Before you generate the image, there are a couple of key settings to tweak. First, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the standard widescreen format used in movies. This will give your scene that classic cinematic look. Then change the image model. I recommend choosing Flux Pro. It consistently delivers sharp, detailed visuals with rich lighting and depth, which is perfect for thriller scenes. Once you've set those, click the Generate button and let the AI do its thing. In just a few seconds, AIMVideo will generate a fully detailed image based on your prompt. And as you'll see, the result is incredible. Now that we've created our first cinematic image, it's time to bring it to life. Let's transform that still image into a fully animated video clip. Just scroll down beneath the image you generated and click on Image to Video. This will open up the animation interface, where you'll see several options to customize how your image moves. You'll need to select an animation model. This determines the motion style and quality of your final video. I highly recommend using Kling Pro for this step. It delivers fluid, cinematic movement and adds a lot of visual depth to your scene. Once you've selected Kling Pro, hit Generate and let the AI work its magic. This might take a minute or two, so sit tight while it processes. And there it is. Your static image has now been animated into a video clip. It feels like a frame pulled straight from a movie trailer. But we're not stopping there. The next step is to add sound, which is absolutely crucial for making your video feel immersive and professional. Click on the Sound tab. Here, you have two options. You can manually describe the sound effects you want in your scene, or you can let the AI do the heavy lifting. For this walkthrough, we're going to let AI assist. Click on Write with AI. AIMVideo will automatically analyze your animation, understand the mood and environment, and then generate a set of sound effect descriptions that match your scene perfectly. Once that's done, hit Generate, and the AI will begin syncing the audio with your visuals. In just a few moments, you'll hear it. The sound fits the video perfectly, giving it that extra cinematic edge. Now let's enhance the visual quality of our clip. Click on the Upscale tab, choose your desired resolution, and hit Generate again. This will sharpen the image, improve clarity, and make sure your video looks crystal clear, even on large screens. Once all that's complete and you're happy with how the scene looks and sounds, go ahead and download the final video to your device. Now repeat this same process with all the other prompts you generated using ChatGPT. Create each scene, animate it, add sound. At this point, Nim Video has done most of the heavy lifting. We've got our beautifully animated scenes with synced sound effects. Now it's time to pull everything together and give it that final cinematic polish. To do this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the video clips you created with Nim Video. Arrange your scenes in the correct order to build the full story. To really bring the narrative to life, let's add a voiceover. This step is optional, but it will take your project to a whole new level of professionalism and emotional impact. For this, head over to ElevenLabs Speech Synthesis. This is where we'll generate realistic, high-quality voiceover. Now go back to ChatGPT and start copying the voiceover text from each of your scene prompts. Copy them one by one. Return to ElevenLabs and paste all of them. Next, choose a voice that fits the tone of your story. After that, hit Create. Within moments, ElevenLabs will generate lifelike voiceover. Download the audio files to your device. Now head back into CapCut and import your voiceover files and carefully sync the audio with the corresponding scenes. This will help your visuals and storytelling flow seamlessly. Now for that final step, you can import your own cinematic background music and add it to the timeline. Then lower the volume just enough so it supports the voiceover without overpowering it. Once everything's in place, watch your video from start to finish to make sure the pacing, visuals, sound, and voice all work together smoothly. And when you're happy with the result, click Export. Then, for the best quality, increase the video resolution to 4K, then download the video to your device. And that's it. Your AI-generated action thriller is complete. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments below.